Hey guys, Michael with Juggernaut Weld Fab. Sorry about the noise, but we're here on Rocky Mountain Race Week 1.0 in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We just got here. We're on day one, and we're slammed already. First job is going to be an aluminum fuel cell. It's got a crack. Oklahoma roads. This is casualty number one. So we're going to get after it. We're going to weld this up with a 4043 filler rod. But first, we've got to get this cap cut off and get her cleaned up with a stainless steel wire wheel. And everybody's favorite, a little bit of brake clean. Oh no, you can't weld with brake clean. Bullshit, we do it all the time. All right, so we've got the fuel tank, we got the bracket cut off. We went ahead and sealed everything off. We've got some soapy water, Dawn dish soap and water. Put a little air pressure to it and found the leak. So now we'll get that all cleaned up, get it welded up, and get his bracket welded back on. My daughter Sierra and my son Braden, they're doing the prep work for me. They're gonna get this all cleaned up, we'll get it welded up. Having technical difficulties. There we go. Yeah, these guys, I could not do race week without them. That's Sierra, and that's Braden covering his face. Starting off early at Texas Motorplex, got a couple cars waiting for repairs. This gentleman lost the plug to his O2 bung, so we're going to go ahead and weld up a quarter on there. And then we've got a gentleman whose receiver hitch is breaking. It's stretching. You can see how far it dropped. Oklahoma and Texas roads aren't great. All right, so we're up under this Fox body. He's got an O2 bung that was welded in here at one point in time. It had a brass plug in it that fell out, so he's got a massive exhaust leak right here. And thankfully it's naturally aspirated. He's not running an AFR O2 sensor, so we're gonna just try to get it capped up here. Gonna use a 309 filler rod and a quarter that I found on the ground at the hotel. I can't even see if I'm on it. I'm blind in this hood. No. Oh no. I don't think I'm going to be able to use the quarter. It's got too much silver in it. Or nickel. Oh no, I got attacked. Please don't drop in my armpit or something.
I know that sucks.
Yeah, that would suck. Now, I hope it doesn't break off. Haha, motherfucker. Alright, I'm using my edge. I want to say it's a number 10 shorty. It's pretty hard to fit in here. Like I said, I'm welding a quarter that I found on the ground to this O2 bung. I'm going to try to run a bit of stick out, but it also is pretty windy. So let's see how it goes. I just shocked myself. I don't think I'm going to be able to weld this thing all the way around. I think Braden's on his tired vibe. Man, if I could get set up on pulse. Oh no, that filler rod almost got me. Oh yeah, that's nasty. That's a nasty, nasty weld. Alright, we got it welded up. It sure isn't pretty. Like I said, I should have remembered which state that quarter was from. But I used a 309 filler rod. Again, welded a quarter from the hotel ground, the parking lot, and plugged up this O2 sensor. It's regular aluminized steel exhaust, so he's good to go. It's race week shit. Alright, so we went ahead, we had to narrow this trailer axle up and go ahead and get it the proper length. Somebody had a hub failure and it just roasted it right off the wheel end, right off of it. So now we're getting it all welded up. We just cut the stubs, we cut the spindles off the ends, narrowed it up, and now we're welding it up. Just ER70 wire, ER70S2. We're dealing with a lot of wind. So the wind is blowing my shielding gas away. It's fine while I'm welding. These cups, thank God, these cups flow quite a bit of gas. It's flowing fine while I'm welding it up, but as soon as I'm done with the weld, the wind's blowing our gas away. So this is on the fly mobile welding. Look at this. This guy's a lunatic. He's a lunatic. We just turned 21 years old, and he is a lunatic.
Life is good.
Life is good. God is good.
Hey, honey.
All right, so we got this axle all welded up again. We cut it down, narrowed it, and welded our spindles back on, and we are good to go. Using our Edge number 10 stubby, and it's windy out here, so thank God we've got good equipment, good products, using our Defiant Metal gloves as usual, kicking ass and taking names.